So, good morning. My name is Brendan Fuentes Garcia, and then mao ni akong report sa PathPet. And then, by the way, my group is Group 4. So ang akong topic nga ang ako ang discuss is linear crawling. So, this is the 5 exercises of linear crawling. First, we have a baby crawl, circular crawl, linear bear crawl, linear crab crawl, and last we have gorilla crawl. So first, the baby crawl starts on hands and knees. Move one hand and the opposite knee forward, keeping small steps. Repeat in reverse to crawl backward. So, mo na yung picture sa baby crawl. And this, maghatag ko og video clip about the baby crawl. So, mo na ang iyahang video.
Crawling is a contralateral movement. That is, your opposite arm and leg move in coordination together. That is how we are wired to move, and that's how we're supposed to walk. Notice that the head stays up, and this is so important. The head stays up so you can see where you're going. You can also see that the tricep.
So next, ang circular crawl. From the baby crawl position, move in a circular motion around your belly button, taking small steps while engaging the core. So, muna yung first steps. So, barag, dili kinatumakuan nung nagtuyok pa siya kay it's just a picture man god. So, maghatag ako video clip about circular crawl. So, muna yung video.
We're getting those knees up. Try to keep 90-degree angles here. So keep the knees throughout the movement underneath the hips. Keep the hands throughout the movement underneath your shoulders. And then opposite hand and foot lift up. And we're just rotating. So you don't actually have to move forward, backwards. We're just going one direction and then the other direction. Keep them pretty slow. Spend some time with the hand and the opposite foot off the floor. That's when we're going to have the most tension.
Next, we have a linear bear crawl. So, similar siya sa baby crawl but lift knees slightly off the ground. Move forward and backward with opposite hand and foot together. So, similar siya sa baby crawl pero murag paar sa gamay ang iyahang nga tuhod sa ground. So, mo na yung video sa linear bear crawl.
Elevated from the floor so you are stabilized by 4 points of contact, your toes and your hands. Begin by pushing the back up towards the sky in order to protract the shoulder blades and activate the serratus. Crawl forward starting with your right hand and left foot followed by left hand and right foot. After each step, briefly.
Next, ang linear crab crawl. So, sit sit with feet flat and hands behind. Move forward by pushing off with one foot while the opposite hand moves backward. Move back. Curl backward as a progression. So, many pictures sa linear bear crawl. Lahi siya sa uban niya crawling like sa baby or sa bear crawl. So, ang crab crawl is more siya og kanang opposite kay pahayang man siya. Pahayang ang body tapos ang kamot napod siya sa likod. So, mao ni ang video sa linear crab crawl.
Body exercise that improves cardiovascular fitness as well as strength throughout the core. Invert the body into supine tabletop position. Drop your hips to where they nearly touch the floor. Move your right foot and right hand forward, then your left foot and left hand. Continue to repeat in a belly-up, all-fours position to form a walking pattern. This has been the crab walk.
Next, or last is ang gorilla crawl. From a crouch position, jump forward with feet outside the hands. Repeat by shifting weight to hands and jumping forward. So, ang gorilla crawl is ang iyahang feet, yung tail is outside siya sa hand, or masyag nakabika ka siya gamay. And then, murag, nakabika ka siya gamay. And then, mao ni ang video sa gorilla crawl.
Bear crawl, a four-legged walking animal crawl. Forwards, And you can also go backwards. And you can do
So I hope nga namin nasabtan sa ako nga mubo nga report about linear crawling. So, dinalataman, thank you, God bless.